Hi guys, and welcome to this JavaScript tutorial. In this video I'm going to answer some questions and introduce you to JavaScript. For those who doesn't know, JavaScript is one of the most popular and most used programming language in the world. JavaScript is also powerful. For example, Netflix and PayPal built entire applications using JavaScript. If you learn JavaScript, you have the opportunity to work as a front-end developer or a back-end developer or a full-stack developer if you know both front and back-end. Also, the average salary of a JavaScript developer in the US currently is $72,500 per year. So this is very good actually. Okay, so what can we do with JavaScript? We can build full web or mobile applications, real-time networking applications, command line tools, and even games. So now that we know what is JavaScript and what can we do with JavaScript, let's see where does JavaScript code run. JavaScript was originally designed to work only in browsers. Every browser has a JavaScript engine that can execute JavaScript code. For example, in Chrome we have the V8 engine and in Firefox we have the SpiderMonkey engine. However, in 2009, an engineer called Brian Doll took the open source V8 engine and embedded it in a C++ program which he called Node. Since then, we can write and run our JavaScript code outside of a browser, and so we can build the back end of our web or mobile applications using JavaScript. So the last question is, what's the difference between JavaScript and ECMAScript? So to keep it simple, JavaScript is a programming language and ECMAScript is a standard. So what's a standard? A standard means that the whole world works according to this standard. For example, look at your keyboard. Almost all the keyboards have the same positioning of the keys. So we can consider this as a standard in creating keyboards. So just a little example. So this ECMAScript defines how we can program using JavaScript. In 2015, ES 2015 or ES6 was released and it defined many new features for JavaScript. So now I'm going to show you an example of using JavaScript in the browser. So I opened up Chrome, right click and go to Inspect. So press on this tab, the console, and here we can write our JavaScript code. So let's say I want to print some text using JavaScript. So I'll use console.log and in here I'll specify the text I want to print. So let's say thanks for watching, and now I'll put a semicolon. If you have a programming background, so this is normal for you, but if you are just a beginner, we use a semicolon to indicate that we are finished from typing a statement or a line of code, and this is it actually. So now if I press enter, you'll see that this text is printed, and this is JavaScript in action. Also, we can do some arithmetic in here. So let's say 2 plus 3, and as you can see, we have 5. And finally, I'm going to alert something very, very important, and it's to subscribe, of course. So let's put a semicolon, and if you press enter, you have to see this, okay? So thanks for watching. And this was an introductory video. In the next video, we're going to set up our environment to work with JavaScript, and I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.